Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome to V Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to download a free operating system. You don't need to go to anywhere for purchase anymore. If you have been purchasing before, then this is the end. With this, you can download any version of operating system that you want. Okay, let's quickly go into it. Please welcome to V Tutorials channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel before, please kindly do that. Help your brother. Kindly do that, and don't forget to give me a thumbnail and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video it will get to you immediately. Thank you. So don't forget, previously I talked about get into PC. You can see here, boldly here, just writing get into PC right here, getintopc.com. It will bring you to a page like this. Don't forget, if your handset is not showing completely, you can just navigate yourself to the right hand corner here, click and roll down. You see this is what we call a desktop site here. Then you click here, and it will be showing you completely. So if you are looking for a software categories, you go to here and see you can get anything you want here. So but for now, what brought us to this very website is an operating system. We are looking for an operating system, which is the OS. You click here, operating system. You see, in this very place, you see Windows 8.1 Pro. You see Windows 11, see Windows 10, see Windows 7, SP1 Ultimate, Windows 11 Pro, Windows 10 Pro. This one is just January 2020. So let's just kind of assume we want to download Windows 10 Pro, which is this January. You can just click it and hold on. Having clicked on that, it will just link you to this page. Then you roll down. There you go. Then you roll down. You can. Then you roll down kindly. If you roll down, it will now show you download a full setup, and you click here. Then you hold on while it redirects you. Wait for resource. Your request resource will be granted from Linux server. Having seen that image, then you hold on a little. So it will now show you if you want to download now or you want to download on Wi-Fi. So I have Wi-Fi now. I'll just click on here. It will now start downloading. But if I want to download in my data now, I can just say okay, done. Let it go now. You see, it will start progressing here immediately. So currently I'm not interested in downloading it for now, so I'll just quickly come to this place and cancel it out. You see, it's very simple. With getting to pc.com, you can get any software at all that you want. You can get any software you want with complete and full setup. So there are a lot of us that are good in using this AutoCAD 3D card. You can come to this place, you get all software that you want. You see, Original Pro, Relutions, Autodesk, and many more. In case you don't find what you're looking for here, you can just quickly click here and just search. Okay, and use the search bar. So if you are a graphic designer and you are looking for a graphic design software, you click here, graphic design. You see, yes, these are POP Art, Pop Art Studio, you can download free. Thundersoft, So all these are for Divinity Resolve, all these comic, Thundersoft, and Escape Motions Minimal. They are all for graphics design. So you can just come into this place, and if you are looking for a multimedia software, just click here. You see Consiva, Mesro, and Minimal. You see all of them here: Adobe Bridge and Minimal, Cyberlink, Director, and Minimal. If you couldn't find what you're looking for on this interface, you can just search. Use the search button here to search, and you get what you're looking for immediately. So there's what we call development, or this IDM, UE Studio, and many more. You see a lot of them here in EJ Technologies. And if you are looking for antivirus, you can quickly come to this place. You see Avast Premium 2022 free. You see Acronis, you see Shield Antivirus, Dr. Web Security, MCAFE, Endpoint, and many more. So with this antivirus, this brings us to the end of today's lectures. And before that, I would like to add something little. If you are looking for education, come to this place. So what do you want to be educated on? So what are you in search of? You look at all this place, you'll be able to see them. If you are looking for tutorials on how to make some things, you click the last one. You see how to build your own Fortnite gaming. That will show you on this very place how to build your own Fortnite gaming. So but this I will talk about this in the subsequent class. I will include this today for the sake of time of these tutorials. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget, give it a thumbnail, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the subsequent video. Thank you so much. See you in my next class. Bye.